So guys, my name is Ivan and I'm here to say the Digital Shadows, a spoken word performance on privacy and security in the digital age. So, hear me out. Every morning, we wake up, and before our feet touch the ground, our fingers touch the screen, click, swipe, tap, we unlock our phones, but who unlock us? In this digital dome, we are connected. But are we protected? We share our lives in a pixel and a post. But who else is watching from the digital ghost? So they know what you are brought last Tuesday. They know where you went for lunch. They know your mother's middle name. And your first pet. And your favorite song. And the others of your hall. But who are they? The algorithms that learn your patterns. The companies that sell your habits. The hackers in the digital shadows, waiting for you to leave your windows open. Your password is password 123. Your security question, your dog's name. It's, it's easy, right? And you handed them the keys to your digital dreams. So Sander lost her job because her data was breached. And Fritz can get a loan. His identity was stolen. And Lee's photos were shared without consent. Her dignity is scattered across the internet. What's that? So, this isn't just about data. This is about people. Real lives, real consequence, real families torn apart by your digital carelessness. When we ignore privacy settings, we are not just risking our own security, we're risking our children's future, our democracy foundation. And our humanity connection. But we are not powerless. We can choose stronger passwords, enable two-factor authentication, read those terms and conditions. We can teach our children that privacy is not about hiding. It's about choosing. Choosing who sees our lives. Choosing who holds our data. Choosing our digital destiny. Every click is a choice. Every download is a decision. Every share is a statement. This is who I am. And this is who I trust. So let us build a digital world where privacy is protected, where security is standard, where technology serves humanity, not the other around. The future is in our hands. The code is ours to write. Let's make it secure. How will this work? Raise awareness about privacy and security. By using poetry performance, it reaches audience and who might others tune out. Like that. So, This spoken performance transforms complex IT concept emotional stories, making privacy security issues relatable through poetry that engage the technical audience.